Well, I went and got myself a Road King. Oh baby. She's a 2015, 11,000 miles on her. She's great. But she's quiet, and I can't stand that, so I found some used Vance and Hines twin slash slip-ons. I'm gonna throw on it real quick. I gotta get the CB450 off the lift, get that out of here so I can get the Road King on the lift just to make it easy. Yeah, I'll pull this outside. We'll get some before and after. Yeah, let's get to it. Well, that was a little nerve-wracking. That was the first time ever putting a bike that big on the lift. Alright, so it's a pretty simple process, at least from what I know. Bags come off with 2 pins. It goes off. There's 2 bolts and a clamp. Kind of just go slow and take it as it comes, but I'm going to get the instructions out. I'll get the pipes out of this spot out. And yeah, you guys can kind of see how it goes, and then more importantly, we'll see how it sounds after. Okay, so, sorry Ted, just looked at you again. These should come off with 2 pins. Let's see. 1. Oh baby, look at that. So easy. Oh, set that there. And it should just be a clamp right here and these 2 bolts, and that will just come off and the new one goes on, and that's that easy. It's the first time seeing the shocks on this bad boy. Can't see nothing. Okay. Huh. I know nothing about these shocks, but they are covered in oil, which I am not sure where that came from. Not oil, but grease of some sort. Probably from, I don't know. I'm just guessing at this point. But I don't know. Alright, clamp first. Let's see. Everything's probably standard, so none of my snap-on sockets will work. I just had on my phone. Nice. Right. So, look at these beautiful, beautiful sockets. Way too big. What are you? 5/8? Smaller, probably half.
Alright, so let's see. Money. There we go. Alright, I decided just to make this super loose so you can kind of, well, maybe a little more. There we go. Now you can kind of move it with your fingers. And then, that's got to be smaller. Yeah, 3/8. Oh, the peg came out. 2 of these, and this bad boy should come. Let's see. Pretty sure you reuse all this hardware, so. Alright, put it down. And then, from what I saw in some YouTube videos, she's a little toasty. You just kind of pull and wiggle. Come on now. Let's loosen that up a little bit more. It's coming. There she goes. Alright, I need to keep this for the new one. Ooh, she is toasty. There we go. Alright, let's go put this right here. So I just bought these from a guy off Facebook Marketplace. They are not Drake Specialties. They are Vance and Hines Twin Slash. Let's see. That's that side. Alright, that should be the one, huh? You look good. Yeah, they look good. Let me take a little bit here to clean them up just a little. What's in there? Alright, well. Let's see how this goes, huh? Let's see, loosen this a little more. Oh, come on, that shouldn't be that hard. That is a lot tougher. But, not a little persuasion. Don't want to tip. Alright. Now the tricky part. It's going to be getting that back on that pipe. Let's see. Ooh, maybe not. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh, that is tough. All right, that is tougher than expected. Side, up, we're getting there. I know this adjusts, but it's still got quite a bit to go, I think. Yeah, because the clamp's still showing. It's got to come back. Let's see if I can. I don't want to put too much pressure on the header pipe, but It's got a... Alright, I'm going to try the trusty WD-40. Where am I going? Just a little... Alright, let's try that again, eh? Sometimes all you need is a little WD. Most times it's all you need. Oh my God. It's a miracle, I tell you. Now maybe. It's going. There we go. Come on. Almost. Alright, that looks good. And I think just a little bit of turn like that. And put the bolts back in. Come with a lock washer for a reason. Alright, so I can tighten these ones down. I'm not going to tighten that down until we get both on. So you can kind of play with the how far they stick out. Make sure they match. Thread locking compound, huh? Alright, I have some of that. 10 foot-pounds. 10 foot-pounds. 5, 10. You know, it comes with Loctite, a little goes a long way. But you always end up putting way too much on. That should do it. Alright, that's a little bit of Loctite. That's enough. Oh, 10 foot-pounds. That's surprisingly not much. Cool. That's done. Let's go do the other side. That side's gonna be a little tougher because there is no room over there. Alright, let's do the clamp first. Seems pretty loose. Get these two bolts out. Alright, well, let's start yanking. It's coming. Oh, baby, come on. Come on now. Yep. There we go. Let's just give it a... Alright. WD-40. Alright. Looks pretty good. I think a healthy application of some WD. Alright. Wish me luck. Oh, cake. Alright, well, let's get the Loctite. Alright, so kind of looks like this one's farther in. It is. I kind of just... Alright, we're going to take these out. Okay. I think I went just where that was covered. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Alright, and then the bottom one is a 14 foot-pound, so here's 14. It's clamp tightened up. Alright. Alright. I think I'm going to take the time to clean some of this up while I have the bags off, because it's the right thing to do. I assume these are the factory Harley. I just find it hard to believe that there isn't a Harley logo on it. But let's clean it up. Yeah, I'm going to do some research. I don't know anything about these. Got the bike literally like 2 days ago. So what's the belt look? Yeah, belt looks fine. Looks like the pads got plenty, I think. Actually, they don't. New brakes pads coming soon. Well, let's get the bags on. Let's see. Alright, looks like it's just that, huh? Easy. Actually, looks like there's supposed to be a washer right there. So let's grab that. Oh, I love this design. That was so easy. I love it. Oh, that is absolutely awesome. Alright, well, let's clean this up and then we can roll this out and do a first start.